Okay, today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to make a cubby hole storage. Okay, what I did is I got a sheet of particle board. You can use plywood, whatever kind of wood you want to use, but I'm going to paint this, so cheapest way is particle board. I had to cut this, and I had 12-inch strips, so I got 4 of them out of this. See if that makes it. Then I cut this at 47 3/4. So I'm gonna cut 2 of them here. See, I'll measure and I'll make some little where my shelf will go on, so I'm gonna just nail that on there real quick, and then we'll get back to it. See, there it is. There, I'm gonna do 6 of these slots here. Yeah, I got all my cross pieces ready to go. That. Okay, I got the top cubbies in there. I let that dry. Call it a night. We'll get back to it tomorrow. Continue. Okay, this is the bottom of it here. So I'm able to get some staples in here. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to place these blocks right here so it'll keep this from moving back and forth. This is going to be the top here, so you're really not going to see this after I frame it. So let me show you how I did that. Okay, there it is there. I got 9 cubby holes, approximately 15 inches by 15. It's not perfect, but I did my best working in my backyard. I have a limited amount of tools. I have a circular saw, a miter saw, a brad gun. I don't have a wood shop. I'm not a professional woodworker, cabinet maker. So this is a basic way of doing this. I got like 20 bucks into it so far. So you guys be easy on your comments. Like I said, I got 20 bucks into it so far. So let that glue dry, and then we'll come back and do the frame. Okay, I went and got this 1.5-inch trim in the store. What we're going to do is we're going to trim the front of this. Yes, sir. Okay, there it is there. Got the frame done. Set this down. There she is there. It's pretty much done. We have to do some sanding. I'm gonna let the glue dry and we'll do some sanding tomorrow. And then we'll paint it. And we'll get the little baskets for it. We'll let that dry, and I'll give it a good It's a sanding sealer, so it can still sand it. And then, like I said, we're going to give it a couple coats of high gloss white. Okay, there it is there. We're finished with this. Got 2 coats on it. Some good white gloss paint. I ordered the boxes from Amazon. They're 13 by 13. And we'll take this inside the house. There it is there. It's complete. Finished.